Judge Lina Hidalgo says that she'll have a three-point focus to reopening Harris County. 3 T's: testing, tracing, and treatment. Testing, Judge Hidalgo says the county will grow its ability to test. Tracing includes scaling up contact tracing. And treating, the judge's main focus is staying ahead of the curve and the possible second wave. Zeroing in on contact tracing now, our Joel Eisenbaum is taking a closer look at that tonight, which is tracking people who've been in contact with COVID-19 positive patients. Joel, what are you learning tonight?
Chris, let's first take an overview of what local government is doing here in the name of public health, and that is hiring hundreds of people to monitor the citizenry and, when they deem appropriate, test certain members of the population and isolate certain members of the population. Of course, that's not exactly how they packaged it in the press conference today. In Harris County, as we try to navigate our way back to normal, the supposed key, at least what Judge Lina Hidalgo is keying in on, is so-called contact tracing.
As part of the effort, Harris County will recruit around 300 contact tracers with the ability to expand as needed. These are folks who are going to reach out to people who have come into contact with someone who's infected, ensure they get tested, and ensure that they isolate for at least 2 weeks so that they're not spreading the virus.
From a public health standpoint, more data is better. More data is critical as businesses start to reopen. You can't contain, control, and isolate coronavirus if you don't know who has it and who they've been around.
You want to be able to make sure that if there's some low level of infectious spread out in the community, you want to quickly be able to get ahead of it.
It's not exactly clear yet what kind of technology the county will employ to help the contact tracing efforts, but Google and Apple are on it together, developing an app to gather that info, supposedly in an opt-in anonymizing way. Would you want that on your phone?
Great idea.
Great idea?
Yeah.
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah?
Sure.
So there's still a question mark tonight, at least a question mark in my mind. And when it comes to enforcement, how will that work if there's a member of the population who doesn't want to be isolated? That's something that still needs to be hashed out. We're live in Southwest Houston tonight. I'm Joel Eisenbaum, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Joel, thank you.